Welcome! In front of me I have 70MAI Saphir, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots up. Once the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, select it and then tap on confirm. And here you should see the QR code on the screen. You can use this code to download the application you need to use to pair the devices together. Basically, you need to open the camera app on your phone, select the Google Lens and scan the QR code with the camera. I'm just gonna tap on next. And here we have the pairing mode. Basically, if you see this on the screen, the watch is in the pairing mode, so it should be detectable by other Bluetooth devices. So now we can download the application. Like I said before, you could use the QR code from the previous page to download it. I'm just gonna open the Play Store. Of course, to download the apps, you will need to have the internet connection. And to connect the devices together, you will need to have the Bluetooth enabled. So make sure you have the connection to internet and Bluetooth enabled. And in the App Store, we can tap on search bar, and type in MIMO Fit. And tap on search. And you should see this application, MIMO Fit by 70MAI. And tap on install. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on agree, then select the region. So we need to tap here, scroll through the list, find the region we want to use, and then tap on next. We want to use United States, for example. Tap on next, allow the required permission, and now we need to log in into a MIMO account. I already have one, so I can just enter the email address and password, but if you don't have one, tap on sign up, make an account, and then use it to log in. So I'm gonna log in into mine, give me a couple of seconds. Okay, now we can tap on login. And now we see, as you can see, we have a home page of the app. Tap on the device icon right here, and then tap on this plus button, and tap on add device. Allow the required permission, so while using the app, and the app will start searching for nearby devices, and if your watch is on this page, on the pairing page, it will be detected by the application. We can tap on it then, tap on agree and continue, tap on confirm on the watch, tap on start now in the app, try now on the watch. In the app, you will also be able to connect the Amazon Alexa to your watch. So if you want to use Alexa on your watch, you can do it, and you can do it by tapping right here on login with Amazon. Basically, it will redirect you to the web page where you can log in into your Amazon account, and then you will be able to tap on connect with Alexa, and you will be able to use the Alexa on your watch if you like to. I'm gonna tap on skip for now. And here you should see the device page, and on it there should be your MIMO Saphir watch FB2B. I believe that's like a model version or something like that. And we can change some settings for it and stuff like that. Of course, if you go to your watch and wake up the screen on it, you should be able to use it at this point, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.